What is up, guys? It's your boy Shaggy, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, rip my Robux. Let's just say that I sold my Shaggy, and now we're gonna buy it. It's gonna help me so much. There's like so many avatar shop, yeah. And then Piggy Chapter 12 is gonna come out. I'll probably do that in this video, like right when it comes out. Okay, wait. Oh, I thought that was 2,050 for a second. I like how this is just 999. I know the story on it. It's like the guy had like cancer and he did like the Make-A-Wish program. Okay, they like lowered the price by like 50 Robux. There's no way I'm buying that. So you know what I'm gonna do? For this, I'm gonna buy the Black Iron Commando. Oh gosh, my balance is gonna be 1.5k. Oh gosh, should I do it? Yeah, I'm doing it. I have the Black Iron Commando now. It's mine. I have it. I literally just bought the Black Iron Commando. Let's go. How much has it sold for? How much does that say? I hate that like my Roblox is so small now. 4,000. It sold for 4,000 before. But yeah, let's go on our avatar. Let's go to face accessories. Accessories, face. Yep. I have. Wait, where is it? Oh, is it in head? Oh gosh, where's my commando? Where is it actually? Like, oh gosh. I swear if I don't have this dumb thing. Okay, Black Iron Commando. Is it in face? It's in face. Okay, it must be in hat then. Head, whatever. Hold on a second. I want to see where it is. It's probably in face accessories. I just want to see if it's in like hat. Okay, I keep refreshing. Okay, 1.5k. It's not much at all. Like, if you say 1.5k is a lot, then you're just... Maybe it's a lot to other people, but... Dude, where is it? There's no way it's in head. If it's in head, I'm going to be so happy. Where? Oh, I'm an idiot. I have to scroll all the way down. I forgot. I totally forgot. Sorry, guys, I'm an idiot. I have to scroll. Yeah, there it is. Black Iron Commando. There it is, and it doesn't even show up. Amazing. No, I have to click redraw, right? Please tell me I'm right. I spent like my life savings on this. Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay, so the thing about this is that I can sell this if I want to. I can sell this for like a bunch of Robux. So we're gonna make an avatar with this. I need to find a good shirt for Black Iron Commando. Black Iron Commando. Oh, let me go Black Iron Commando. We have to go into clothing and then like shirts. Yeah, black. Oh my gosh, I have to search it up again. Black Iron Commando. Black Iron Commando shirt. Black Iron Commando shirt. Okay. How would that look on my avatar? Let me hold on. Let me first let me get a new tab open. I'm going to put the commando on. Not sure. Okay, avatar. And remember, if you guys think I got scammed, just tell me and I probably will sell it. Oh my gosh. Please don't ask me what just happened. I just swallowed something that like came out of like some part of my body or something. I don't even know. It was very gross. But oh wait, I'm still in bed. I'm still in Bed Wars. What the heck? Why am I still in bed? I thought that it said something else. I was like, how did Roblox allow them to say that? I was like, wait, what the heck? Okay, take off. Try on. Okay, gosh, I look really dumb. Hold on, I have to do the thing. I think that's what it's called. In Avatar Shop. I think that's what it is. Please tell me I spelled it correctly. It'd be embarrassing if I didn't. Dude, where is it? Oh, here. Equinox hat. Yeah, this is also gonna like help me. It's gonna make me look a lot better. Let me just see here. Yeah, okay. I know I'm copying Rainway at this point, but like, who cares? Who cares? Who cares? Give me that. All right. All right. Let me put that hat right there. Refresh the page. Let me get that hat going on. Equinox hat. Okay, sure. I look pretty good, I think. I hope. Alright, now, Black Iron Commando shirt. Oh my gosh, I put in a apostrophe thingy in here. Black Iron Commando shirt. Black Iron Commando shirt. Black Iron Commando. You know what? I don't care. I'm taking shirt out of it and I'm doing the extra thing. Clothing. Shirts. Black Iron Commando. Enter! Let's see what we got. We got any good ones? Dude! Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I have to do it again. This is so dumb. Clothing. Shirts! Alright, this better work. If it doesn't, I'm literally gonna lose my mind. This freaking thing doesn't work. Thank you! Oh my gosh. Try this one. This one. See, are these good? Oh gosh, no, not that. Original. Try on. Let me try this one on. This isn't good. Okay, it doesn't look bad. What does this one look like? Try on. Okay, this looks better. Okay. I think I might just buy both of them, to be honest. Yeah, let me just go ahead and buy this one. Go ahead and buy this one. Why not? Why not? Why not, dude? Why not? Why not? Okay, now I'm going to have to get myself some pants. Black Iron Commando pants. Black Iron Commando pants. Okay, let me look at this one. Try on. What the heck? Oh, I don't even have the shirt on. I'm an idiot. Hold on, let me go back to my avatar quickly. Let me put on the shirt. Where is it? Clothing, shirts, Black Iron Commando. Okay, now let me go. Pants, try on. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this. I'm buying this one. Alright, now it looks good, I think. I hope. I really hope this was worth it, because, like, I mean, I realize I can sell it. Okay, look. I'm not stupid. Okay, what does this shirt look like? Probably look like a total idiot with this shirt on. Like, if I sell this thing, I'll probably get, like, another 1,000 Robux back. Okay, this looks okay. What about this? I think this one looks a little better in my opinion. Alright, nice. And then I'm obviously going to have to do body skin tone and this. I think this would look good, right? Would this look good? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna keep it as white. And then for my face, I should get like a face, like a limited face. Yeah, I should do that maybe. I don't know. Let me go to the avatar shop. Yeah. Alright, let me go collectibles, collectible faces, and then the maximum is gonna be 1, 2, 4, 3. Oh, that's my, like, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 1, 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 4, 3. Collectible face is 1, 2, 4, 3. You're not telling, you're telling me that, like, 2,000, go. Wait, what are you talking about? Oh, wait, never mind. I was about to say, yeah, there's a face that costs that much, but yeah, I was wrong. Okay, that's really weird. Oh, I'm just going to go to collectibles. Collectible accessories that are, let me see, 1, 2, 4, 3. Go, any collectible accessories that are pretty cool. Okay, I'm not really looking for any face accessories. Sword pack? Some headphones. Oh, there's another page. There's a koala hat. I've known about that one. Any hairs that are good? Any hairs? Cosmos Moth. Or Sloth. I'm not sure. Alright, for now, I'm just gonna go into, like, Trade Hangout and just see what there is. Alright, I loaded into the game. I also bought, like, Rainway's, like, shirt kind of thingy. So we're going to, like, maybe try that on and see how it looks. So let's go back into the avatar editor. And let's go equip this shirt. Hopefully it looks good. Please tell me that looks good. Dude, is it seriously not gonna load? Okay, that looks pretty good, but I'm gonna keep this one on for now. Does anyone want to trade me for my commando? Let's see what this guy has. Oh, he just has the blue wistful. Oh gosh, I've been wanting that for a while actually, but like then I just gave up on it. 27k, nice. Oh, he has the camo commando and Shaggy and Sinister. Wow, gosh, I might actually trade for a Sinister. Hold on, give me a second. Where is this guy? Where is he? Yo. Can I trade for Sinister? Yeah, sure. Friend. Here. Send me. Oh, okay. All right. Let's make a fair offer with this guy. Let's go to friends. Now, I've learned a little bit about Roblox trading, okay? It's pretty interesting, but like it can be really annoying sometimes. Oh, come on, are you serious? Like there's a thing in like mobile where like you can search. Oh, it still has that. Or D. Let me go right here. What's his name? RDU Y. Okay. RDUY. Are you kidding? Oh, I have to refresh this, I think. Let me see. RD. Are you kidding me? Where is this man? Do I seriously have to look through my friends? Okay, what does this guy look like? That's what he looks like. Okay, white. That. Alright. So let me send this guy a trade real quick. Okay, so actually I kind of ran out of time for this video. I'm really sorry. I have to cut it short. But yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.